On top of that, I would say the suppression of certain inventions within the military, which are on the record to varying degrees, and which I've been fortunate enough by knowing certain. Some of this is just by circumstance, and some of it's by whistleblowers seem to be coming to me these days, and I seem to be attracting the right people. And so I've known some ex-military contractors, and connecting the dots between what they say, there's definitely secret technology that is suppressed from the masses for various reasons. And I don't know all those reasons, but all I know is we're not getting everything. And some of these could even include something like free energy. And so this is not just a scientific discussion around suppressed technology, but it's also a humanitarian one, because you imagine if free energy exists, well, what could that do to, could that eradicate poverty overnight if we release that technology?
Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. It would change the world overnight almost.
Mm.